हमें कभी किसी खूबसूरत बच्चे को देख के उसको कॉम्प्लीमेंट देना होता है, उसकी तारीफ करनी होती है, तो नो वर्ड्स कम टू आवर लिप्स। एंड टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस सम फ्रेजेस कि जब हम किसी खूबसूरत बच्चे को देखें तो हम उसको कमेंट पास कर सकें। फॉर एग्जांपल, दिस इज मिशेल माय डॉटर, और हमने इसको कमेंट देना है। सो हम कैसे कैसे गाएंगे? शी इज द क्यूटेस्ट बेबी आई हैव एवर सीन। Hey, and we will play with the cheeks of the child as well. Hey, this is the most beautiful child I have ever seen. Such an angel baby. Such an angel baby she is. She is going to steal everybody's heart when she grows up. Or if it's a man, I mean, it can be a baby girl or a baby boy, he is going to steal everybody's heart when he grows up. Such a cutie pie. Oh, so sweet. Look, the way she's happy. The babies actually observe the way you compliment them. Look at how she behaves and how she's looking at me because I'm praising her. Oh, such an angel baby you are. Okay, you can see that. Very cute child. Cuteness overloaded. She looks very healthy. So precious. Such a fairy she is. Oh, so gorgeous and attractive baby. Look, she's happy again. Oh, Michelle, you are so beautiful and so gorgeous, right? Or she has a great smile. Hey, when she smiled, she has a great smile. Michelle, you have really great smile. Oh, look, she smiles. Eh? Okay, you can see that. She has such big, beautiful eyes. Michelle, you have such big, beautiful eyes and black and sparkling. Huh? Oh, she's so adorable, just like a doll. She is very adorable, just like a doll. Oh, she looks like a princess. Hey, she is very beautiful. She looks like a princess. Oh, she's awesome. और अगर आप किसी बच्चे की पिक को देखें तो आप oh, she's so awesome. She looks great in her picture. She looks great in this picture. Oh, she's such a darling. Hey, such a darling child. May God bless her. Such a darling. May God bless her. I have no words to comment her. I have no words to compliment such a healthy, beautiful baby. This is the cutest face in the world. Okay, and I'm sure the next time you see a beautiful, cute child, and you will be having a plenty of phrases to compliment. See you next time.